Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to authenticate domain for Mailerlite. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Mailerlite, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Authenticating your domain for Mailerlite involves adding DNS records to your domain's DNS settings. So once you are logged in to your Mailerlite account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the gear icon here, the account settings. Now, once you're here, all I have to do is click the domains tab and you will be forwarded to this section. It's kind of easy. All I have to do is sending domains, manage your sending domains, and click the add domain sections here. All right. If you want to put in a custom domains, that is included in the paid plan. But if you're using a free plan here, you can also only add a domain here, not a custom domain. Click this button right here. And of course, you need to enter the email address of the domain you want to verify. All right. In my case, that's going to be this email address from Google Workspace. We have a separate video on how to authenticate email domain on Mailerlite that you might want to check in our channel. All right. So in this case, I'm going to be copying this email address and very quickly paste it in the email address button. Why it's important? Because on the save button, there's going to be two options for you. All right. There is an option here to authenticate your domain. You can connect your domain to your website with just a few steps away from setting up your domain right here, which is kind of easy. All I have to do is click the continue button. If you click the continue button, which is going to be the automatic connecting your domain to your website, all right, analyzing your domain. Provider is going to be Squarespace. And all I have to do is log into your Squarespace account. Click the continue button. Basically, we have shown this in a separate video, so I'm not going to deal with it. But instead, what I want you to do is click the manual setup. All right, so this is kind of the suggested if you know how to work around with the DNS settings. This is only applicable if you don't know or if you're not comfortable setting up the DNS settings. Just click the go to the manual setup instead. All right, so we're gonna do that because here we just have to click the domain authentication options here. So this is going to be the full instructions. We just have to create a CNAME record to the DNS settings on your hosting provider. In my case, my domain here is cheapflaps.com. It's powered by Squarespace. So I'm going to click on it. And from here, I just have to click the domain sections. And I suggest you go to the hosting provider of your domain, click on it. And in this case, click the DNS settings. So the first thing is we want to create a CNAME record. All right. Type is going to be CNAME. And then switch over very quickly to Mailerlite and copy this information. So name is this, value is this. All right. And then click on save. It's kind of straightforward, really. Now, the next thing is we're going to add a new record. This time, it's going to be a text record. If you quickly switch over to Mailerlite, you would notice the next thing is we need to create a text record. All right. So all we have to do is copy this value. The name is @. All right. Now here, it's going to be text. Type is going to be text. And the value is going to be this. And click on save. Once it's saved, I want you to quickly switch over again to Mailerlite. This time around, we're going to click the check records. All right. click the check records. And as you can see, it can take up to 24 to 48 hours for your records to become active. All right. And all I'm going to do at this point is to wait for the changes. 24 to 48 hours sometimes is a lot easier. All right. Now, all we have to do is go back to our dashboard, and we can't do anything about this for now because as you can see, the authentication is in progress. All you have to do is wait. And if you're not comfortable again with the DNS settings, you might want to click the automatic workflow, or you might want to hover here to the customer support help center. If you are having problems, create a ticket, obviously, or if you want, you contact your IT person. Just create your full name, type in your message, and click on this, and one of the customer support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps if in case you encounter any problems authenticating your domain in Mailerlite. All right, that's just an added option for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.